going to be checking on this fire on and off all night long. Got the wood jammed in there about as tight as I can. You can already start to see a lot of steam coming out of the barrel. Most of this smoke coming out of here is actually just steam. Once I consistently see flames coming out of the barrel, then I know it's time to put the lid on. See, the bottom of the lid is covered in wood tar.
Well, that burned down pretty good. 17 hours it's been burning. I think it's time we crack it open and see what we got.
Barrel's much lighter. All right. Look at that. That is great charcoal. It's so light. You can just feel